Using a vanilla Visa gift card on eBay is a simple process, but there are a few steps to follow to ensure a smooth transaction. Here's how you can do it. Check your card balance. Before making a purchase, visit the Vanilla Visa website or call the customer service number on the back of your card to check the balance. Ensure that the amount on the card covers your eBay purchase, including taxes and shipping fees. Add the card to PayPal. eBay transactions are typically processed via PayPal, so you will need to link your Vanilla Visa gift card to your PayPal account. Log into your PayPal account. Go to Wallet and select Link a Card. Enter the details of your Vanilla Visa gift card. PayPal will validate the card, and once linked, you can use it for transactions. Make your eBay purchase. Find the item you want to buy on eBay. During checkout, select PayPal as your payment method. PayPal will automatically use the linked Vanilla Visa gift card if it has enough funds to cover the purchase. Complete the transaction. Once the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation of your purchase. If the gift card balance is lower than your total, you can pay the remaining amount using another payment method.